Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we'll learn and solve self-practice exercise question 7b, questions 1 to 4 of chapter 7 and chapter name is Algebra of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise question 7b, questions 1 to 4 of chapter Algebra and topic is evaluating algebraic expression. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1. Question number 1 is evaluate each expression for the given value of the variable. First bit is x plus 7. For x equal to 2, we have to evaluate this expression x plus 7 for the value x equal to 2. Substitute the value of the variable x equal to 2 in the expression x plus 7. We get x plus 7 equal to x is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9. So the value of the expression x plus 7 is 9. Second bit y minus 7 for y equal to 10. Substitute the value of y is 2 in the expression y minus 7. We get 10 minus 7 equal to 3. So value of the expression y minus 7 is 3. C. Type a for a equal to 2. We have to substitute the value of the variable a for 2. In the expression 5a we get 5a equal to 5 multiplied with 2. 5 multiplied with 2 is 10. So value of the expression 5a is 10. Now we solve question number D. 7a minus 3 for a equal to 1. Substitute the value of the variable a equal to 1 in the expression 7a minus 3. We get 7a minus 3 equal to 7 multiplied with 1 minus 3. 7 multiplied with 1 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. So value of the expression 7a minus 3 is 4. E. 9d for d equal to 0. Substitute the value of the variable d equal to 0 in the expression 9d. We get 9d equal to 9 multiplied with 0, that is 0. So value of the expression 9d is 0. F. 16 minus 4y for y equal to 4. Substitute the value of the variable y as 4 in the expression 16 minus 4y. We get 16 minus 4y equal to 16 minus 4 multiplied with 4. 4 multiplied with 4 is 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So value of the expression 16 minus 4y is 0. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is evaluate each expression for the given value of the variable. First bit is y minus 2x for y equal to 25 and x equal to 7. Value of the variable x given is 7 and y is 25. So substitute the value of the variable x is 7 and y is 25 in the expression y minus 2x. We get y minus 2x equal to 25, y is 25, 25 minus 2 multiplied with x is 7. 2 multiplied with 7. 2 multiplied with 7 is 14. So 25 minus 14 is 11. So value of the expression y minus 2x is 11. Second bit b. 3a plus 4b for a equal to minus 1 and b equal to 2. Substitute the value of the variable a is minus 1 and b is 2 in the expression 3a plus 4b. We get 3 multiplied with minus 1 plus 4 multiplied with 2. We get 3 multiplied with minus 1 is minus 3 and 4 multiplied with 2 is 8. Minus 3 plus 8 is 5. So value of the expression 3a plus 4b is 5. C. 5 multiplied with y minus x for x equal to 1.5 and y equal to 3.5. Substitute the value of the variable x is 1.5 and y is 3.5. We get 5 multiplied with y minus x is 5 multiplied with y is 3.5 minus x is 1.5. 5 multiplied with 3.5 minus 1.5. 3.5 minus 1.5 is 2. 5 multiplied with 2 is 10. So value of the expression 5 multiplied with y minus x is 10. D. 10x plus z minus y for x equal to 3, y equal to minus 5 and z equal to 7. Substitute the value of the variable 10x plus z minus y is 10 multiplied with x is 3, 10 multiplied with 3 plus z is 7 minus y is minus 5, minus of minus 5. So 10 multiplied with 3 is 30, 30 plus 7, minus of minus 5 is plus 5. Minus of minus is minus multiplied with minus is plus. So 30 plus 7 plus 5 is 42. So value of the expression 10x plus z minus y is 42. Now we solve the question number 3. Question number 3 is evaluate each expression for the given value of the variable. First bit is 4x square for x equal to 3. Substitute the value of the variable x is 3 in the expression 4x square. We get 4x square equal to 4 multiplied with 3 square. 3 square is 3 multiplied with 3 is 9. So 4 multiplied with 9 is 36. So value of the expression 4x square is 36. B. A square plus 3b for a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 1. Substitute the value of the variable a is 2 and b is minus 1. In the expression a square plus 3b we get a square plus 3b equal to a is 2, 2 square plus 3 multiplied with b is minus 1, 3 multiplied with minus 1. 2 square is 4, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. So value of the expression a square plus 3b is 1. C. 36 minus 2x square for x equal to 4. Substitute the value of the variable x is 4 in the expression 36 minus 2x square is 36 minus 2 multiplied with x is 4. 4 square is 4 multiplied with 4, that is 16. So 2 multiplied with 16 is 32. So 36 minus 32 is 4. So value of the expression 36 minus 2x square is 4. D. X square plus y square for x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. Substitute the value of the variable x is minus 1 and y is minus 2 in the expression x square plus y square. We get x square plus y square is x is minus 1, so minus 1 square plus y is minus 2, so minus 2 square. Minus 1 square is minus 1 multiplied with minus 1, so minus multiplied with minus sign we get plus sign. So minus 1 square is minus 1 multiplied with minus 1, that is 1, and minus 2 square is minus 2 multiplied with minus 2, we get minus multiplied with minus is plus sign. So minus 2 multiplied with minus 2 is plus 2 multiplied with 2 is 4. So plus 4. So we get x square plus y square equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5. So value of the expression x square plus y square is 5. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is from the formula a equal to 3a plus 5b minus 8c minus 29. Find the value of a when a equal to 18, b equal to 0 and c equal to minus 3. So given the formula is a equal to 3a plus 5b minus 8c minus 29. Substitute the value of the variable a is 18, b is 0 and c is minus 3. In the expression a equal to 3a plus 5b minus 8c minus 29, we get a equal to 3 multiplied with a is 18 3 multiplied with 18 plus 5b. 5 multiplied with b. b is 0. 5 multiplied with 0 and minus 8c. c is minus 3. So minus 8 multiplied with minus 3 minus 29. 3 multiplied with 18 is 54. 5 multiplied with 0 is 0. And minus 8 multiplied with minus 3 is plus 24 and minus 29. So you get 54 plus 0 is 54 plus 24 is 78. 78 minus 29. So you get a equal to 49. So find the value of variable a is 49. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.